The USA government has issued a civil danger alert. At 12:20 a.m., strange creatures have been spotted in the woods and in the parks. It has not been confirmed if these creatures are hostile. These creatures have red eyes and sharp nails and have a human-like body. Please listen carefully for instructions. For your safety, do not go outside. Lock all windows and doors. Barricade all windows and entrances with tables, chairs, wood planks. Turn off all lights and air conditioning units. These creatures are attracted to noise, heat, and cool. Turn off electronics devices such as TVs, computers, phones. We will have more information soon. Call 911 right away if you see one of these creatures attack humans.